Here we are again with this Hanse 301 29-foot 6 sailing boat. Interior cabin view, starting with the galley, cooker and fridge, cool box. Showing all the new upholstery, side lockers, headlining and windows, clock, barometer leading into the four-peak double. Again, all new upholstery, storage, four hatch inside the four-peak cabin. Back now into the main saloon, showing headlining, again the windows, chain plates, upholstery and storage with radio and navlight equipment. Large heads with possibility of room for a shower. Facing aft now, looking up the companionway steps, out into the cockpit. And down into the aft double berth underneath the cockpit.